7 Gray Bathroom Ideas. Welcome to my video that is dedicated to elevating your bathroom renovation game. In this episode, I delve into the modern elegance of gray bathroom ideas, offering you 7 inspiring examples to ignite your creativity. Contemporary teal and gray bathroom. When it comes to gray bathroom ideas, adding contrast within your color choices can give the space an aesthetic lift. This has been done in this particular example, with the use of dark gray hexagonal tiles against the teal color of the wall above. This is a perfect choice for adding a wow factor to any bathroom renovation. Modern gray bathroom design. Crafting modern gray bathroom ideas entails a careful balance of functionality and aesthetics. Natural wood effect tiled flooring offers a warm, inviting base, while gray tiles unify the shower enclosure with the walls, creating a cohesive look. The white ceramic basin and mirror cabinet add brightness and elegance, while extra storage space and built-in cubbies ensure practicality and organization. These elements work together to showcase a stylish space that is both visually appealing and highly functional for daily use. Masculine dark gray bathroom. The integration of different tones and materials in bathroom interior design is paramount to achieving a cohesive and visually striking space. Large format gray tiles on opposing walls establish a foundation of understated elegance that sets the stage for bolder elements. Within the shower enclosure, the juxtaposition of different shades of darker gray, shallow wide format tiles adds dimension and interest, creating a captivating focal point. The utilization of a dark wood double basin vanity unit further enhances the masculine aesthetic, infusing the space with warmth and richness while offering functional storage solutions. Complementing these elements are the black fixtures of the mirrors, taps, and radiator, which punctuate the space with modernity and contrast. Dark and light gray bathroom. Balancing dark and light tones in a bathroom gives the space depth and visual variety. The wall-mounted sink unit offers a sleek and modern touch, while the strip of dark tiles around the walls adds something different to the norm of sticking with one color option. The addition of yellow accessories, such as the flannels and towels, not only adds a bright accent color, but also a small amount of warmth to the space. Accent lighting within the large recessed mirror enhances functionality and gives the space a soft, inviting glow. Finally, incorporating light and dark gray mosaic tiles on the bath panel ties the entire color scheme together, creating a cohesive and visually appealing ambience. Shabby, chic gray and cream bathroom. In a shabby, chic gray and cream bathroom like the one on display here, the interplay of textures and colors creates a warm and welcoming ambience. The gray textured tiles around the bath and on the bath panel add depth and visual interest, while the cream painted wall offers a serene backdrop that brightens the space. The shabby chic sink table and stool introduce a touch of vintage charm, adding character to the room, while the wood effect LVT flooring provides modern elegance, grounding the design and tying the elements together seamlessly. Opulent gray and gold bathroom. The blend of colors and materials in this opulent gray and gold bathroom creates a lavish and inviting atmosphere. Gold towel rails and fixtures infuse warmth and luxury against the backdrop of gray mottled tiling, enhancing the richness of the space. The black and gold vanity and toilet unit add striking contrast and sophisticated charm, whilst a double mirror cabinet provides both functionality and opulence, reflecting light and expanding the room visually. Together, these elements form a sumptuous and timeless bathroom theme that exudes elegance and indulgence, perfect for creating a luxurious retreat. Gray bathroom with black fixtures. This is another case where contrasting shades are key to this bathroom design. The white and gray patterns of the marble vanity surface are a crisp edge against the bold black of the vanity unit itself. The gray color of the wall, cladding, and mottled floor add the gray element to this space, with gold accents elegantly completing the design. I hope that these gray bathroom ideas have sparked your interest, and if you would like to view all 30 examples, please click the link in the description.